Hey guys, good morning. This is Jibril for the SPX Ninja. Today is Thursday, May 24th, and we are looking at the S&P 500 futures. Yesterday's price action was very, I shouldn't say very, but was on the bullish side. Basically, we came down and closed the gap that was open on the futures this week's open at 27.12. We filled it, and then we got back up to higher than yesterday's close and stayed there. So that was very bullish. However, the picture right now is not very clear for me to say, this trend is going to continue. What could be happening right now is that, I have wave one to be ending here, which was this area. So basically, I thought we had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then, a wave two is starting. However, what could be happening is that this wave four, and remember, a saying always with Elliott waivers is that wave fours will try to confuse you as much as possible, and that could be something that's happening. So it could be that wave four is just completed here, which is an A, B, C in this is called a flat correction, where B comes all the way to the top of the wave three, and then A and C come to the same level, which is pretty much what happened. So we could be in this scenario where wave five is going to continue here, and that is a possibility for sure. And I think that might be what's happening. If we stick with the way we had it labeled already, then until this is taken out, we can't really say a wave 5 has started. So we can still stay with this assumption, and the retracement has been acceptable. Like, this was a 5 wave down, so this has been an acceptable retracement, about 78%, which is stretched, but it is still acceptable. And we need to see the price go below 27.05-ish to get confirmation that the the bearish scenario might be taking place. Since we are so close to the 2740 level, it might be, for people that really want to trade this, they can trade this with a stop at the highs here. I personally do not know exactly what's going to happen right now. I need the market to show me, so I'm not going to make any guesses at this moment. It could go either way from here. For the bullish case, like I said, we have a potential completion of wave 4 here yesterday, and then we could still have the wave 5 continuing. Or for the bearish case, we have wave 5 already completed, and we are retracing this sharp move down that we had overnight yesterday, the night before yesterday. But this is still unclear. And another thing that's kind of bolstering the bearish case a little bit is that the DAX has been very bearish. So if there's any correlation there with the DAX, then we could prefer the bearish scenario for now. That's the best I can do right now with the way that the price action has taken place over the day yesterday. And also, I want to show the other scenario that we were talking about. So in our current scenario, we have this A, B, C, D, E triangle finished, and then we broke above the triangle here, right? This line is just there to, actually this line is not part of the triangle line here. This is the triangle line here. So A, B, C, D, E, and then we broke above the triangle in an impulsive manner, and now we are correcting. So that correction is going on. However, what is also possible is that this push up here was just wave D getting extended. So it could look something like this also. So we have an A, B, C, and now instead of D being here, D is actually here. So it just basically has extended the triangle, and then a wave E is possible that will bring the prices back down to the lower 2600 area. So this is the more bearish scenario. Like I said, I'm keeping this in mind while I'm using this as my preferred scenario. And again, the reason I'm saying that this might be the case is, again, wave fours have a tendency to confuse people. And once this broke above this triangle, which everybody was watching, now everybody is saying we broke above triangle and we should start a bull market, which should not be the case, right? There should be more skepticism. So, that's why I'm keeping the other scenario open. In any case, we are in this an area where it's not completely clear, and we'll need to let the market show us what's going to happen. All right, that is what I have for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day trading.